In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Zoho SalesIQ works. Zoho SalesIQ is a powerful tool designed to boost your sales and customer engagement through real-time tracking and interaction with website visitors. So, let's dive in and explore its dashboard and functionalities. When you first log in to Zoho SalesIQ, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly dashboard brimming with features that optimize sales efforts and provide actionable insights. Right at the top, we begin with the Live view, an essential tool for keeping your finger on the pulse of who's visiting your website at any given moment. This dynamic feature allows you to see real-time data on your website traffic. You can monitor visitor activities and gather precise insights about their behavior, enabling you to engage proactively and personally with potential customers. Next, we have the My Chat section. This area is your hub for managing ongoing conversations. It serves as your personal inbox where you can view and respond to chat inquiries from visitors. This feature ensures that you never miss a chat, facilitating timely and effective communication that is crucial for customer satisfaction and sales conversion. As we move further, we encounter the Visitors section. This segment is a treasure trove of information, providing detailed visitor analytics to understand who is accessing your site, including their location, time spent, and pages viewed. This data empowers you to tailor your sales strategy, aligning it with visitor interests and patterns. Our next stop on the dashboard is the Chats feature. This focuses on the broader picture, allowing you to see all chat interactions that have occurred. You can filter through past conversations, ensuring no stone is left unturned in refining your customer engagement tactics. Then, there's the Outbound feature. This tool is specifically designed for initiating proactive engagement. Here, you can set up automated messages or reach out directly to prospective customers, turning passive visitors into active leads with carefully crafted outreach. Calls is another noteworthy feature. It enables effortless integration of voice communication within your customer interaction arsenal. You can handle call queries effectively, ensuring seamless connectivity and fostering a more personalized customer experience. Feedback is an equally important tool. It helps you gather insights from customers post-interaction, allowing you to evaluate your performance, pinpoint areas for improvement, and continuously enhance your service offerings. Moving on to Reports, where you can access in-depth analytics offering a holistic overview of all your sales and interaction metrics. From conversion rates to chat duration, these reports are pivotal in refining your strategies based on factual data. Canned replies provide a quick response mechanism crafted to address common questions with ease and efficiency, ensuring you maintain a swift and consistent communication pace. For any uncertainties, the FAQs and article sections are your go-to for self-service information, empowering both you and your customers to find answers independently with ease. Lastly, small chats represent those brief exchanges that might not require in-depth discussion but still hold significance in understanding customer needs. That's a comprehensive overview of how Zoho SalesIQ works. With these tools at your disposal, you're equipped to enhance customer interactions, boost engagement, and ultimately drive your sales through the roof by understanding and anticipating your visitors' needs and behaviors efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.